Hello viewers, hope all of you are well. If you bought an HP 250 G9 netbook laptop and the audio doesn't work after installing Windows, then this video is for you. Most of the users want to download drivers from the HP site. Even if you download the driver from HP site, you may not find the correct driver. What we will do to get all the drivers for this laptop together is we can install all the drivers through a loader, that is driver pack. We will search for any driver on Google. We will find it from the Google. Here you write any kind of driver, and when we search it on the Google, we will get the driver pack from here. This is one. We will click here and click install driver automatically if you need. If you want, you will install individually. You just click the driver upon the link. So you will click here for all drivers. I will click here. After clicking here, all the driver install automatically, and you will get the solution. And here you see the audio is working, also sound, everything is working. After all the driver installing, at the same time many software will be installed, however which you will not need. Nevertheless, you can uninstall the software. For that, you will cross all the launched software and you will go to the search option and right here control panel and go to program and settings, and here you select and uninstall the software which you will not need. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have benefited from this video, please don't forget to subscribe this channel and like, comment, share. Thank you.